Hey there, Buy Smart family. Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your hard-earned money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the stylish and compact Gleesfun G11MINI, and on the right, we have the budget-friendly yet mighty TOMZON P5G. Buckle up because this is going to be an aerial showdown you won't want to miss. First up, the Gleesfun G11MINI. Priced at a whopping $299, it's like the Gucci of mini drones. You might have to sell a kidney, but hey, style comes at a price, right? And here we have the TOMZON P5G, priced at just $159. It's like the Walmart version, but in a good way. You can buy this drone and still afford dinner. The G11MINI boasts an upgraded 4K UHD camera, shooting at 4K 25 FPS or 2.7K 50 FPS. It's like having a Hollywood director in your pocket. It even has a 120 degrees FOV and a vertical adjustment from 0 degrees to -90 degrees. Perfect for those epic nature shots or spying on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G also comes with a 4K camera, but it's adjustable up to 90 degrees with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like the Instagram influencer of drones, always ready for that perfect shot. The G11MINI offers a solid 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. It's like your own personal aerial marathoner. You could basically film an entire Lord of the Rings trilogy with that kind of battery life. The TOMZON P5G, on the other hand, gives you 36 minutes. Not too shabby, but it's more of a sprinter than a marathoner. Still, plenty of time to capture your dog chasing its tail in the backyard. The G11MINI comes with a plethora of GPS flight modes, including follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It's like having a robotic stalker, but in a good way. Plus, it's perfect for beginners with its auto return feature. If you lose control, it'll come back like a loyal puppy. The TOMZON P5G also has a high-precision GPS system and includes similar modes like Follow Me, Circle Flight, and Custom Path Flight. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. And yes, it also has an auto-return feature, so you won't have to climb trees to retrieve it. The G11MINI is under 250 grams, so no FAA registration required. It's like the James Bond of drones, sleek, stylish, and always ready for action. Plus, it comes with a camera shield for extra durability. It's like a helmet for your drone. The TOMZON P5G also weighs under 250 grams and comes with a portable carry bag. It's like the fanny pack of drones, practical and ready to go anywhere. Reviewers have praised the Gleesfun G11MINI for its advanced features, reliable video connection, and ease of use, even in cold temperatures. However, it struggles with strong winds. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is noted for its affordability, ease of use for beginners, and responsive customer service, despite some technical difficulties with newer phones. So there you have it, folks. The Gleesfun G11MINI and the TOMZON P5G both bring their A-game, but it all boils down to what you're looking for. If you want luxury and longer flight time, go for the G11MINI. If you're on a budget but still want some solid features, the TOMZON P5G is your go-to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, always buy smart.